Good day to everyone. In this video, we'll see the procedure to review the test cases. Whenever the customer gives the requirement, the development team, they'll start developing the application by looking into the requirements. Testing team, they will do the thorough study, they will understand the requirement and they'll start writing the test cases by looking into the requirements. The test engineer, he will start writing the test cases for the particular module based on the requirements. Once all the test cases are written for a particular module, he will send the email to the test lead saying that he has finished the writing the test cases. Now the test lead, he will tell someone to review the test cases. The reviewer, he will start reviewing the test cases by looking into the requirements. And when he finds some of the mistakes, he will report it back to the test lead. The test lead, he will inform the test engineer to correct the mistakes in the test cases. Once all the mistakes are corrected by the test engineer, the test lead, he will approve the test cases. Those approved test cases, it should be used for the test execution. This is a procedure to review the test case. Next, we'll see what we review in the test cases. Reviewer, he will check the template whether the template which is used to write the test cases are as per the project standard or not. Then he will check the header of the test cases. In that, he will check whether all the attributes are captured or not. Then he will check whether all the attributes in the header they are filled or not. Then he will check whether all the attributes in the header are relevant to this project or not. Then he will check the body of the test cases. In the body of the test cases, he will check for whether all the possible test scenarios it is covered or not. Then he will check whether the flow of the test cases is good or not. Then he will check whether the correct test case design template or the test case design technique it is applied or not. Then he will check the test case whether it is organized or not. That means the test cases it should be organized in such a way that it should not take much time to execute. Next, he will see the test cases and check whether it is simple to understand and simple to execute or not. Next, he will check whether proper navigation steps is written or not. Thank you for watching our video. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel so that you do not miss any of our video or updates. Thank you.